Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look so weird, rough. I just got up not that long ago and I decided I wanted to try and do a get ready with me. I'm pretty sure I've done them before. It's just like it's been a while. So yeah, I'm still like, my face still looks swollen and I don't know, I feel weird doing it because I feel so weird being without makeup and in front of the camera. But I just wanted to show you like a quick today is actually Father's Day, so I don't know when I'll be posting this, hopefully pretty soon. But yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready to head out. We're gonna go to my cousin's house and have breakfast at their house, and then go grocery shopping and do some other shopping and stuff, and then go to my parents' house, I believe. So yeah, that's the plan. But first I gotta get ready, so I gotta put on my hair and get started with my face to get my hair out the way and put it up. And my face is already clean. I just gotta start everything else, moisturizer and everything. So let's get started. So lately I've been into this primer. It's the Nasque. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's this one. That's the brand right there. I hadn't used it for a while. I got it in BoxyCharm, I believe, and I had started using it, but then I had got other ones and I started using those, and then I came back to this one and I really noticed a difference. I don't know, I feel like it smooths out my pores a lot. I don't know if it's a primer, but I think it is. I don't know, I just like it and this one's a moisturizer and primer 2-in-1, so I can skip that whole moisturizing by itself part because this one is a moisturizer. And it smells nice too. My face looks red on camera. I think it's not that red in person. Okay. And I like it. It has a little spatula with it. I'm almost out of it. I'm about to hit pan. Like, I already hit pan right there where I just scooped some out, and I have so little bitty left. But I'm trying to avoid buying new products right now because I have so much of everything that I want to go through it first before I get anything else. And then for eye cream, I've been using this Myriad Hydration Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. I also got this one in BoxyCharm, and I just use like a little bitty because I like to like put makeup, so I feel like if I do too much it might mess with the makeup after. I'm not sure, but it's just my feeling, my thought process. Alright, and then I like to go in, I keep these in my little fridge that I have here, my like skincare fridge or whatever, and I also keep my rollers in there, so I like to use these. They feel so good and cold, especially with like you wake up with your eyes puffy and like swollen and stuff. This helps a lot. Or with the face, it helps absorb, maybe not with the moisturizer, with this primer because it's kind of tacky already, but with other moisturizers it helps like the product get absorbed better and faster. And then on top, I'm gonna go in, I want to like get a glowy look, I guess, so I'm going in with my True Match Lumique lotion. I've had this for a while now, but I stopped using it, and I still have a lot left, so I wanted to use it again. And I was thinking, so we're in the summer, so like what better time to use it than summer to get like that summer glow, you know. So, and it's not too like crazy glittery, it just gives you a nice little glow to your face underneath the makeup. Okay. I'm trying to get done as fast as I can because my husband's already waiting on me. But yeah, I just wanted to do this because I don't have anything else recorded, and I wanted to do something so I can get up this week coming up. So now I'm gonna go in with yeah, with my foundation. Sometimes when I do big makeup like eye looks, I like to use the eyes first, and so that way I don't like get it smeared on my makeup. But I'm not gonna do too much since I'm kind of in a rush. Well, my husband's in a rush, but oh, shoot. I feel like this one's a little too dark for me. But I got it in, I believe Ipsy sent this to me. This is the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion liquid foundation. It's that one, and I got it in the shade medium, so yeah, it's definitely darker than what I'm used to, but it still works. Oops. Alright, then for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I don't go crazy with concealer either, because I don't know, I don't feel like the need to. And to blend it out is kind of weird. I just use a sponge, but I don't even wet it. Like this one that I got, I forgot, oh, this is by the brand Dream Plus. I don't know, I got it from a girl that has like a makeup page on Facebook, and yeah, I don't even wet it or anything, and I feel like it blends it out pretty good like that. And then since it's dry, I kind of like to go on top of patches of my face that I feel like I got too cakey, and it'll like pick up that extra foundation as well since it's dry, or like help it blend out at the same time. It's almost like a silicone texture at the same time when dry. I don't remember when, I've only used it with like once or twice. And then to set it, I'm gonna use the Everyday Vacay coconut setting powder by Ciate London. This one I got in BoxyCharm. I feel like most of the makeup that I have right now is from BoxyCharm or Ipsy, because I haven't bought makeup myself in a long time. And that's my goal right now, because I did cancel a lot of my subscriptions, or like my Ipsy, I paused it, and I might just end up canceling it because I have it paused, or like I skipped a month and all that, but I'll probably just cancel it. So I don't see myself going back to it, because I really prefer BoxyCharm over everything. And I already get a lot of makeup from BoxyCharm itself, that I'm trying not to be like a hoarder, you know? Like, I like makeup, but I still don't want to keep so much, because first of all, I don't have a lot of space for it, and second, I don't want it to go to waste. So and then makeup does have like an expiration date, so after a while I can't use it anyways, so I'd rather just stick with as less makeup as I can and use it up. And it's cheaper that way too, because BoxyCharm gives you, like, depending which you get really good makeup, and it's like you save a lot of money in my opinion. And that way you only buy like the necessities, but you pretty much can get a full face of makeup from BoxyCharm throughout the months. My face is done, and now since I'm on the rush, I'm not gonna do nothing fancy. For the eyes, I usually like to do like extraness, you know, especially today since it's like Father's Day. But since my husband's waiting for me, probably getting kind of impatient, I'm gonna try and hurry up. Okay, well, I'm gonna do my brows first. So I just like to go in with the Billion Dollar Brows powder, and it came with the little brush, the spoolie. So I just like to go on top. I don't do anything fancy for my brows like other girls do. Like, I don't really know like the process, and I feel like it takes too long, and I don't have too much time to be taking like 10-20 minutes on brows. Nope, I feel like that's too much. But I just like to go on top and make them seem more like natural in a way. I want to get the ombre powder tattooed like the like tattoo brows, but I can't right now since I'm pregnant, because I mean I think I can't, I don't know. I just heard it's like it causes can make me bleed a lot or something. I don't know. So being pregnant, it's not a good idea to do any tattoos on your face. So I gotta wait till after my pregnancy to get anything done to my eyes. That's like, I usually like to get eyelash extensions too, but I don't feel like laying down on my back for an hour or and a half. Yeah, I think that'll hurt, and that's not good for the baby either, so I don't. That's why I just have my, well, no lashes pretty much. Alright, so for the eyes, I think I'm just gonna use the one shade, and this is the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow in the shade Cotton Candy, which I think all these products so far I've gotten from BoxyCharm. I don't think I own a lot that I haven't gotten from a subscription box, so I'm just gonna do the single shade since I'm in a rush. I really like these shadows because they're super pigmented, and you don't need but like a little. See, that's like one swipe right there. And that's all I'm gonna do for my eyes, because just keep it nice and simple. I need to hurry up. I'm getting pretty hungry. I haven't had breakfast, so alright, so I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and get mascara on, and then we'll keep going. I've been thinking about getting an eyelash perm, since I don't have extensions and I can't get them right now, or I can but I don't want to. I was thinking about getting an eyelash perm, but I think that takes about the same time as eyelash extension, so I guess I gotta wait for both. And I like it to go in with a primer. Right now I started using primer again on my eyelashes, just to make them like a little bit like extra, I guess. Right now it looks weird. I mean, actually you can't even see nothing, I think. So I'm just gonna let it like kind of dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna keep going with my face stuff. So right now I've been using this Nomad Sydney Pattern. It's Nomad Cosmetics. Nomad Sydney Cosmetics is the Kiss of Sun palette. Also, this one I actually got in Ipsy. My last box I got from Ipsy has a big mirror and stuff in those shades right there. And I'm going in with this brush, which I also got from BoxyCharm or Ipsy. I think it was Ipsy. It's by Complex Culture. And I like to go in with the Manly Beach shade right here. And, I feel like at first I'll look a little weird, but then at the end it all like ties in together. Because sometimes I feel like I overdo the bronzer and all that. Okay, for now I'm gonna stop with that. I'm gonna keep going with my eyelashes, since I think it should be dry enough. And I'm gonna go in with this Wonder Beauty Mile High Club mascara. I got a lot of Wonder Beauty, and I think that all comes from BoxyCharm, most of it anyways. Alright, so my eyes are done, and just something basic. Alright, now I'm gonna keep going with my face. I like to go in with bronzer now, and I use the Alamar bronzer brush, also from BoxyCharm. And I go in with the Bondi Beach shade right here. I feel like it was a little dark, but I don't know, it's still like, it blends in nicely, you know, not too bad. And please don't judge me, I'm not the best at like knowing where bronzer and contouring and all that stuff goes. I just put it where to me it looks good. and where I kind of seen. Yeah, not too bad. You see, to me it looks a little crazy, but not that bad. For blush, I'm gonna go with the Milani Baked Blush, this one, in the shade Luminoso. This one I did by myself. One of the few things. And then for highlighter, I like to go in with the Wet n Wild one that I just got, the Fantasy Makers, in the shade Illuminati. And I think this one, yeah, I'm gonna use the Alamar brightening brush. Also, it came with the bronzing set, and it's just a really nice highlight. Wet n Wild always has, like, well, from when I started using their highlighters, they're always been really good, and I like to put highlighter like everywhere. I got that from Jeffree Star. I saw that he was like using it everywhere, so I started putting it everywhere, and I like it. Alright, so I believe that's my lips. I like to use, I don't know, I usually put it on at the very beginning. It's this Hanalei lip treatment in clear. Either that one or the Sugar Brush Best Bud and Peony. It's like a lip balm also, but this one is just easier for me because I just squeeze it out instead of sticking my finger into the pot. But the other one stays on longer, so. And for lips, I should have put it on earlier. They're so dry right now, like crusty almost. I'll probably just go with this lip gloss. This is the NARS Orgasm lip gloss. Ooh, or Too Faced. Probably something more sheer. Not like, yeah. I think I'm gonna go with this Too Faced. Ooh, or I'm just gonna go with this gloss because my lips are dry and they need it. You can't really see the difference from the from when I added the treatment on. And then I'm gonna go in, well, I'm just gonna finish it off with this 3-in-1 Rose Water Primer. Rose Primer Water. I don't know. I love the way it smells. Alright, and then I don't know, I kind of like my hair up. I'll probably put it up in a better bun, but I'm just trying to hurry up and be done. So yeah, alright guys, so this is the completed look. Something simple and fast. I usually don't take this long, but since I was talking it took me a little longer, but yeah, I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna get done getting ready. Like, my face is ready, but I still gotta put my shoes on and like probably fix my hair up a little bit and then take off because my cousin's probably waiting on us, or if he's even awake, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna head out, so I'm gonna go and run around and do whatever we need to do and get done. So I will see y'all in my next video. Hope you like this, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.